So, hello everyone. Hi everyone. Hello guys. I hope am I audible and visible to all of you. Hi everyone. Hello guys. I hope am I audible and visible to. In case if you so if my voice is clear, can you please confirm yes? So that would be great. Can you please say guys if my voice is clear? So from past 2 days, I would say from 3 days, we are studying I would say calculation hacks. Hi Sangeeta, how are you? I hope you're good, Sangeeta. Good morning. Good morning. So, guys, basically, we done like multiplication of a two-digit number with a single digit, as I have discussed in my previous class. That two-digit number getting multiplied with a single-digit number. Then we did two-digit number getting multiplied with a two-digit number, and I have shared some of the PDFs as well. So, I'm fine, Sangeeta. I hope you are also fine. I've shared the PDF also, and I think that you all have solved the PDF. So I would say I'm fine, thank you, sir. Okay, Sangeeta, can you please call other aspirants, or can you text in the Telegram so that they could join me? Can you please say that they could join me? Secondly, today's discussion is about the three-digit number getting multiplied with the three-digit number, and I would say that this is a very practical way of multiplying. I would not give you the trick, but this is very practical way of multiplying the things. Practical way, I would say. Okay. Then secondly, we'll do the square tricks, doing a square of numbers from 25 to 75 and from 75 to 125. Correct. So, so today's learning will be around this topic only. What we did in the previous classes, as I said, do not forget what we did. We did two-digit number getting multiplied with that single-digit number, and then we did two-digit number getting multiplied with that two-digit number, and many things we did. And two-digit number getting multiplied by two-digit number, we solved with the method number 1, and then we solved this with the method number 2 as well. Correct now? And I've told you that which method you like, you can follow that very method. Correct? Now, the today's discussion is around the three-digit number getting multiplied with the three-digit number. Correct? Now, today is that three-digit number is getting multiplied with the three-digit number. Now, guys, this is very important and very practically used approach. So everyone should follow the approach which I will be guiding you right now. Now, I hope, is this clear? Should I start the class? I think many of you have joined me. Should I start the class? Come on, say. Should I start the class? Sangeeta, are you ready for the question now? I guess you are ready for the question now. Okay. So basically number is 342. Let's take any number. Let's take first number, which is 342 getting multiplied with, suppose I would say 256. Okay, 256. Now we need to multiply in this manner. First number should be 2 multiplied, then 5 should be multiplied, and then 6 should be multiplied. What I am saying, first you need to multiply this number, then multiply this number, and then multiply this number. Okay, I hope this is being clear to all of you. Now first thing is that multiply this number, 2 2s are, write down 4 over here, right? Just what it is mentioned, write down there. Then 2, then 2 will come here, and then 2 4s are, write down 8 here. Now 2 3s are, now again multiply this number, 2 3s are 6, then write down 6 here. You know that this is unit tens and 100, write down 20 over here. Correct? I hope how this came, everybody knows it. Correct? I'm solving slowly and slowly how this 68400 came out. Correct? Sangeeta, you got this? I hope, Sangeeta, you got this. Correct? Let's go for step number 2. If I go for step number 2, now this is the turn of this number. 5 2s are 10. Put 0 here. Why? Because 10th digit is this. So I already put 0 here. 5 2s are 10, 0. Carry 1. 5 4s are 20 and 21. 1. Carry 2. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. Write down 17 over here. I hope this is also clear to all of you. Correct? Correct? Now let's go for this 6. 6 2s are 12. Write down because no 0 is required. This is already a unit place number. 6 2s are 12. 2 carry 1. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is what? Basically 5. So 25. Write down 5. Then 2 carry. 6 3s are 18. 19 20. Write down 20 over here. Correct? Add this all number. You need to, lastly, you need to add this number. I hope this makes sense. This is what? This is 2. This is what? This is 5. This is what? This is 5. This is what? 7. 8 8 16. 16 17. 7 6 7 8. 8 7 5 5 2. I hope you got this. Now, should I explain one more time, or is it clear to all of you? Sangeeta, should I explain this one more time, or is this clear to all of you? I hope this is clear to all of you. Or should I take one more example? Should I take one more example? Let me take one more example and then let me solve you. Let me make you understand. Okay, let me take. One more. Okay. Have you said in the Telegram that everyone should join? Sorry, I have a visibility issue, so I was taking. Okay. Let me go for another example, like 428. Let's suppose I take 528. 528 getting multiplied. Suppose 528 is getting multiplied by 374. 374. This is my number, correct? Now start solving it. The way what I told you, the way I told you, 3 should be multiplied. First, this 3 should be multiplied. Slowly we'll do. This 3 should be multiplied. This. Okay. So it will get multiplied. Now, 8 3s are 24. 2 carry 2. Now 3 will come here to this point. Correct now? 3 will come to this point. Correct? 3 2s are 6 7 8. Then you would write 8 over here. Correct? Now 3 5s are 15. Then write down 15 because this is a 100 place. Put 00 over here. See, this is not a slow process. If you are good at it, you can. This is the best approach of multiplying the things. This is what I'm saying. This is the best approach. Now 7 multiplied 7 is 8s are 56. Put 0 here, 6 here, and 5 here. 7 2s are 14 plus 14 plus 5. 14 plus 6 is 20 plus 5 would give me 19. Then 9 over here, 1 carry. Now 7 5s are 35. Then it would be like 36. Correct? I hope this is clear to all of you. Last number. Now last number, this 4 will come. 4 multiplied with 8, 32. 32 means 2. 32 means 2. 3 carry. 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11, 1 1. 4 5 4s are 20. Then it is 21. I hope this is clear, Sangeeta. Till now it is clear. Please say 3 6 9. Is it clear? Till now it is clear. Come on. If this much is clear, just add. This is 2. This is 7. This is 9 10 14. This is what? 6 2 8 8 16 17. This is what? 5 3 8 9. And this is what? 1 9 7 4 7 2. Please confirm. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Hello, Muskan. How are you? I hope you got this. Please confirm. Okay, that's nice. Let's take one more example because we have taken like 2 examples over here. One is this one and other is this one. Let's take one more example and let's try solving with this approach. So this is the last example which I am taking. Then I'll switch up to the next section, which is doing the squares. I would say that I will be giving you the sheets so that you can solve 3-digit number getting multiplied with the 3-digit number. So let's take one more example, which is 627. 627 getting multiplied with suppose 253. Okay, 253. First of all, you need to do what? As I said, always follow the 100 digit first. So 100 digit first means you can go for 7 2s are 14, 4 carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 5, 6 2s are 12, 0, double 0, put double 0. Why? Because this is at the 100 place. Is it right? First step is clear. I guess first step is clear to everyone. That would be 1 2 5 4 double 0. Let's come for the second. Now if I go for second digit, I would go for 5. 7 5s are 35. Put 0 here. 7 5s are 35. 5 3 carry. 5 2s are 10. 13 13 3 1 carry. 5 2s are 10. 13 3 1 carry. 6 5s are 30. 31. So write down 31 over here. Correct? I hope 31350. Is it right? I hope this makes sense. Now comes the last digit, which is 3. If I go for last digit, which is 3, 3 getting multiplied with 7. 7 3s are 21. 1 2 carry. 3 3 2s are 6. 6 7 8 8. 3 6 are 18. 18 ka 18, right? Now add this, which is 18 8 1. If you add this, you will get like 1 8 2 10 3 13 13 1. I would say 8 plus 4 12 plus 3 15 1 16 1 5 6 7 8 8 2 3 plus 2 5 and 1 5 8 6 3. So this is the addition of this part. You got this? Come on, say. Everyone understood? This is the third problem which we are discussing right now. Third problem. A lot of students are busy today, if I got. Do like the session. I would request all of you to do like the session. Now the second section is, like as I said, what we did in the 3 lectures which we did on this channel is that, again I am repeating because you should not forget, we did like 2-digit number getting multiplied with a single digit, 2-digit number getting multiplied with a 2-digit number, then 3-digit number getting multiplied with the 3-digit number. Now these are a very important way of calculating the things in a faster way. As I said, if you do a lot of practice on this part, as I did, so you can like beat the calculation as well. Now let's come to the second section, which is called square. Many a time, basically there are a lot of methods in doing the squares. A lot of methods are there, but I will be guiding you in very synchronized way that how you can do the square of any number. First of all, we need to think about 5, a number which contains the last digit is 5. If the number having the last digit 5, how can we do the square of that particular number? Correct? So what we can do, suppose the number in the format of x into x, any number is x and 5 ka square. We need to figure it out. What we are doing, we are writing x, adding 1 to x, which is x plus 1, and then we are writing like 5 ka square. Suppose if I ask you what is the square of 25, means 25 ka square is what? Then you would say that 5 ka square is 25, correct? Add 1 to this number, which is what? If you are adding 1, this becomes 3. 3 2s are, and multiply that number, which is 6. So the 25 ka square is 625. Is it right? I hope this makes sense to everyone. Let's take one more example. Is this clear? Come on, say. Is this clear? Please note it down if this is clear to you. Please note this down if this is clear to you. Now suppose if I take some other example, for example 35 ka square. 35 ka square. Again 5 ka square is giving me like 25, correct? 5 ka square is 25. Add plus 1 to this part, this becomes 4. 4 3s are 12. This is 1 2 2 5, correct? 1 2 2 5. Let's take example of 55 ka square. If I go for 55 ka square, now 55 ka square, again 5 ka square is nothing but 25, and add ones to this, this becomes 6. 6 5s are 30. This is 3025, correct? I hope this makes sense. Take any one more example. Let's say find out the square of 65. Let's say find out the square of 65 ka square. Again 65 ka square, 5 ka square is 25. Add 1 to this. If you add 1, this becomes 7. 7 6 are 42, which is 4225. I don't think that anybody is having problem in this part, correct? So you can, like, when you make a note now, just segregate the part. If you need to find out the square of number ending with 5, this rule will get applied, okay? This rule will get applied if you want to find out the square root of a number ending with 5. Now see, it is not possible that every time the square root of you need to find out the square of number ending with 5. Suppose somebody can ask you, so that sir, what is the square of 42 ka square? Means somebody can ask you 42 ka square. Now these are the approach which is very handy to me, right? Very practical to me. If I would say now, these are the process which is very practical to me. I am not guiding you the process which are very, I would say, not practical in nature. So what is this process? This is called Aman mantra. I would say this is called Aman mantra. You can note it down. This is called Aman mantra. You can just note it down and you can have, these are like practical process when you can see the number and then you can find out the square of that. First of all, now for this my base is like 50. For this my base is like 50. And what I need to do, I need to like do 25 plus minus n. Now if you don't understand what is 25 plus minus n, wait and see. Now if I ask you this number 42, 42 is how much less from 50? You can answer me. 42 is how much less from 50? You would say what, 8? If 42 is 8 less than from 50, then find out the square of 8 ka square. 8 ka square is 64, right down here, right? See the step. This 42, subtract this from 50, the difference, take the square of that, which is 64. And second step is what? Minus this 8 from 25, because 25 plus minus n. 25 minus 8 is how much? Say fast everyone. 25 minus 8 is how much? 25 minus 8 is basically 17. So this is 1764 is the square of 42 ka square. I hope you got this. A very handy process, but the base is 50. Now you would ask me, sir, take some other examples so that we can have a clear vision. So this is I named as an Aman mantra. You can use it in your life, so you might not get puzzle in it. So let me go for some other example. Suppose I take a number like 43 ka square. Suppose I take a number like 43 ka square. Now again, think about it. This number 43 is how much less from 50? So 50 minus 43 is basically how much? 7. Then write down 7 ka square over here. 7 ka square is 49. 7 ka square is 49. Correct? I hope you got this method. Now again, subtract 25. Subtract 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7 is how much? If 25 minus 8 is 17, then 25 minus 7 is 18 basically. So you can write 18 over here. This is your square. Correct? I hope you are getting my point. Clear? Clear? This is the first step. This is the step number first, if you want to note it down. And this is your step number 2. This gives you last two digit, and this gives you first two digit of your main answer. Can we find out 40? No, we cannot find out like 42 ka square with that previous method, because 42 ka square is not having 5 at the end. This is the way you can just figure out. Now see, I can also make you understand the universal method of finding out the squares, but you should know these methods also. So that's why I'm giving you. Let's take one more example. Let's say example of 47. Can you figure out the 47 ka square? Now how much less is 47 from 50? So 50 minus 47 is how much? 3. Then write down 09 over here, right? Because 3 ka square is 09, and we are always finding out the last two digits. See, last two digits. So that's why this is 09, correct? Now this is basically how much less? Basically that 3 is how much less from 25? So you know 25 minus 3 is how much? 25 minus 3 is how much? 22. Write down 22 here. This is your answer. Got it? I hope this is clear to everyone. These are very handy method that you can like opt for, and you can just find out any number. Just take a number that should be less than 75. As I said now, This is followed from 25 to 75. You can find out the square through this method. 25 to 75. You can find out the square from this number. I will be giving you the sheet also. Through that sheet you can just figure out. Correct? Is it clear? Should I proceed now? Should I proceed now? I hope this is clear. Should I proceed now? Clear now? Okay. Okay. Now let's take because as we did 25 to 75 we did. Now from 25 to 75 we did. Now we need to figure out from 75 to let's say 175. Now 75 to 175. What is the process of doing it? Learn 2 or 3 methods, try using it. Suppose I want to find out the 98 ka square. What is that? Now here the base will change. Earlier the base was 100, here the base is basically earlier the base was 50, here the base is 100, correct? And then again you need to do like 25 or you need to do 100 plus minus n. Okay. Now basically here you need to do 100 plus minus n. Now two things are there. First is what? Can I minus this? First thing is what? 100 minus 98 is what? Now you would say 2. Then find out the square of 2, which is 0.4. Then you can write down here, which is 0.4. Correct? The last 2 digit is giving you 0.4. I think this is clear. Now simply this 2 will get minus from 98. So 98 minus 2 is what? 96. So put 96 here. This is giving you first 2 digit of your answer, and this is giving you last 2 digit of your answer. Last 2 digit of your answer. Today I am not going to discuss, I am not discussing the cubes, because first you should master this, then we'll discuss cubes. Correct? Now I hope you're getting. Okay, let me go for some other number also. Let me take one more example, like 97 ka square. Again 100 minus 97. 100 minus 97 will give you last 2 digit. It will give you last 2 digit. So which is what? Last 2 digit is what? 100 minus 91, last 2 digit would be 3. 3 ka square would be 09. Then write down 09 over here. You will write 09 over here. Correct? Now 97 minus 3. 97 minus 3 will give you first 2 digit. And you all know that 97 minus 3 is basically 94. Then this is your answer, 9409. A very easy way. 9409. Correct? I hope this is clear how we are doing it. Now see, if you will practice now, if you will practice, you can figure out the square of any number. That is what I am saying that. Now suppose I need to figure out the square of 89. Let's also learn, have a look on the carry forward numbers, like 89 ka square. Now what is 89 ka square? 100 minus 89 is what? 11. 11 ka square is 121. Write down 21 over here. 1 is carry. 1 is carry. Is it right? Now 89 minus 11 is what? It is 8. It is 78. 78 plus 1, because 1 was carry, will be added, which is 79. Then this is 7929. 7921. Is it clear? I hope this makes sense now. Today is Christmas, so that's why students are not in the class. They are enjoying the party, right? Today is Christmas, so that's why students are enjoying the class. Every time they like enjoy the class. Now Okay, don't enjoy the party, guys. You need to study. So let me give you the universal method. Now, this is the universal method. Universal method. What is universal method? Now, this method is applied to find out the square of any number, right? This method is applied to square of any number, whether it should be 2-digit, 3-digit. I will be only taking one example. I will be only taking the one example. Rest you need to practice at your home. Rest you need to practice. You need to practice at your home. Try taking the number, follow the steps which I guide right now. Try taking the number, follow the steps which I guide right now. Now here I am not segregating the part which you need to figure out from 25 to 75, and then I am going for 75 to 125 or blah or anything which we are doing. This universal method is like applied to any numbers, right? Now I'm just guiding you one. You should rest. You need to do the homework, which I think you will not. But my point is to give you the homework, so I'll give you the homework. Try at your home and follow that. Okay, this is like applied to any number or not. Suppose I write a number 46 ka square. Correct? 46 ka square. Now see carefully everyone what I do, because you can also watch this video again and again. Now what is this 46 ka square? What is this 4 ka square? 4 ka square is 16. Correct? Let me write down here. What is this 4 ka square? 4 ka square is basically 16. What is this 6 ka square? 6 ka square is 36. Till now, is it clear to everybody? Till now, it is clear to everybody? Till now? Please confirm. Till now, it is clear to everyone? Correct? Okay, fine. Now, see what I am doing. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 24 2s are. 6 4s are 24. 24 2s are. Means I am like doing it 6 into 4 into 2. What I am doing? 6 into 4 into 2. If I write 6 into 4 into 2, what I am doing basically 6 into 4, 24 into 2 is basically 48. Leave this space as a blank. Write down 8 here and write down 4 here. Just add this number. This 6 would be here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry, 6, 4, 10, 11. Is it right? Till now it is clear to all of you? And this will become 2. 2116 is the answer. Have a look. Through this method, you can, I would say you can find out the square of any number. Let me repeat one more time so that you could have a clear vision. Let me repeat one more time so that you can. The number is basically 46 square. Write down the square of 4. 4 square is basically 16. Write down 16 here. 6 square is basically 36. Write down 36 here. Now you need to multiply basically. Multiply 4 into 6 and 4 into 6 into 2. Basically 4 into 6 and into 2, which is what? 48. Leave this space. Do not fill this space writing 48. Write down 8 here. Write down 4 here. Add this number. You can add this number. What you will get? 6. Because this is vacant. 6, 1, 1, 2. This is your answer. This is the homework now. If you say so, this is what 42. You can just try the 42 ka square. 4 ka square 16. Write down 2 ka square is 04. Write down 04. Then 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. Write down 16 over here. You will get the same answer 4 6 7 1. This is the method number 1. And what I guided you right now. By 42 ka square, you remembered I said this number is how much less from 42? You said 8. So we did 8 ka square, which is what we did, 64. Then 25 minus 8 is basically how much? 17. And we write 17 over here. So this is method number 2. You can follow the which way you want. Make sense? Clear? Okay. So see, very slowly I'm going like, if you follow these videos and do the homework part, you can become like a pro, or I would say you can become like very good at calculation skills. You are very familiar with the numbers and you can try anything, correct? So I would request all of you, I will be giving the PDF in my Telegram. I hope Sangeeta you got this. I hope Sangeeta you got this. Sangeeta, you got this. Try using my all the tricks as I said earlier, and if anyone wants to learn the maths in a very different way, please share these videos to that very aspirants, so that their calculation, their myth regarding the math should change. My promise to every one of you is that I'll change the mindset through which you are following the maths in your past days or past years. Just follow what I teach, just follow what I make you understand. Do the homework as I say always. Follow my Telegram, as I always share the Telegram link. So follow my Telegram. I will be sharing. Yesterday I also shared some of the PDFs over there, but nobody replied. So today also I will be sharing like 50 questions. Today I will be sharing like 50 questions. 50 questions on 3-digit number getting multiplied with the 3-digit number. Then you need to figure out the squares from 1 to 500. Square from 1 to 500. Mark my words, everyone. If you will not follow these rules of mine, you won't get clear any of the examination. These are must-known facts which you all should know. Correct? Till then, I will end my class. I hope you really liked it. Again, I would be requesting all of you, do share these things to your, I would say, your brother, your sisters, so that they could know the process of calculating the things, right? And these are the like very quick way of calculating the things. Their mindset regarding the math will change. If you will do so, I will be thankful for that. And if you like my videos, do comment and keep shining and keep learning. Bye bye everyone. Shining off, Agnimitra. Bye guys.